What is up there, everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video today, guys. And today I'm going to be making a video, just a daily update, and I'm also going to be sharing my biggest stock recommendation. And it's more like a group of stocks that all of you can benefit from, and there's endless possibilities for profits on this. Alright, guys, so just starting out, if you guys enjoy my videos and like watching my updates and portfolio updates and everything like that, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could like the video and please subscribe to me. I really appreciate it. Alright, guys, on to the video. So today what I wanted to show you guys was basically like the big battle. Well, this is how I see it, in the stock market. So according to technical indicators, the big thing that's going on right now is that the stock market is trying to rebound back from this huge pothole it hit. It fell down like, I don't know, 15-20% since it was up at its peak. So that's up 6% to down 9%. All right, whatever, guys. It's like 15 to 20% the stock market fell. All right, and it's at the point right now where this is the support for overall stock market. People say you can't really predict the stock market. Well, you can, but it doesn't work 100% of the time. So it's at the support right now. The stock price is at around $263 right now, which is usually where the stock market bounced in the last 3 months. As you can see right here, it was around 263, 262, around the general area because it's never exact. Around the 261, 263 area, as you can see. And as well here, it tried to bounce, which it kind of like faked out, and it decided to go down a lot. And now it's trying to rebound from here. And this can go both ways right now. Like, what I'm expecting is for it to consolidate around this area, around the 263 area, and then fall back down. But it can go both ways. For right now, so if it crosses, I would say to be safe, if SPY crosses 264 and a half maybe, then, or 260, yeah, around 265, if it crosses 265, or 266, then I would count that as a confirmation of a reversal. So that means the stock market will most likely continue to uptrend back to its highs of around $277. I'm using SPY, by the way. And even possibly up to its old peak at around $288. But we don't know that for sure. Or the other way, what can happen is it can bounce down from here because it has set a pretty strong support right here. It hit it 3 times, and the third time it fell from here. So it can also, the same percent chance for it to happen, for this to happen, is for it to fall back down, which it could probably fall back down to where it fell back down before, which would be a huge loss in the stock market. But the way that we can profit on this, like I said before, is investing in inverse ETFs. Something like TVIX, which is an inverse of the stock market. It's never perfectly exact, but it's around the area. As you can see, if you can kind of see it, guys, here are the two humps I was showing you before, except it's completely flipped upside down. And here's the big hole it fell into. So this stock went up instead of going down like the overall stock market. So if you got in at around $35 and sold, best case possible, at $78, then you'd have doubled your money on one stock over December 3rd to December 24th. Within 20 days, you could have doubled your money on this stock. Well, you could sort of predict this, but it's never 100%. That's why you always have to manage your risk. This is something I also have to work on. Is if a trade is not going your way, if it doesn't go like you want it to go, then right away you gotta cut losses right when it just breaks your pattern, and not like bag hold it so when it keeps falling down and down and down. So that's basically it. There's many of those inverse stocks if you guys wanna know. Let me look at them right now. So LabD is like biotech inverse, but it's slightly different, but it's still around the same area. It's a little riskier, I would say, and The biggest ones are SQQQ and TQQQ, but SQQQ is an inverse, so it's basically what we were talking about. You can profit on the collapse of the stock market by investing in the stock. Also, if you bought it in at the support around here, 1280, sold it at the resistance, you would have gained like 70% on your money. So these are really large possibilities for you guys, and I don't want you to miss it out, so that's why I'm making this video today. And that's why I used up all 3 of my day trades already because I was trying to make some quick day trades just to get like back into the game of trading stocks. But I'm just waiting for that best chance because I don't want to, my goal is to make quality trades, make less make more quality trades and less like crappy trades. So I'd rather have 1 good trade a week than 3 okay trades and that's it, right? So you see what I'm saying here. I'm focusing on quality, not quantity. And that's basically it. So today I didn't do anything, but yesterday I fell by like a percentage because I was day trading UGAZ and DRIP. I tried to get in a quick day trade for like half an hour. It didn't end up going my way, so I cut losses right away, just like that, which I'm practicing, and I got out of it before it fell down more, and it saved me a lot of money. So I just can't be afraid to cut my losses. The only minus side on this is if you don't have $25,000, then you end up using your day trades. So I already used up all my day trades for this week. So I have to make good trades, and they have to be at least overnight. So that's basically it, guys. If you guys enjoy my videos, like I said before, enjoy this watching me on this channel, and I hope this inspires some motivation, you guys, that it's always possible to make money in the stock market, no matter what circumstance or situation it's in. Then if you enjoy all this, then I really appreciate if you guys can like this video and subscribe. And I always just feel free to comment down in the comments. I always read all of them, and I'd love the feedback if any of you have anything. Alright guys, thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.